Hey guys, welcome to DigiSci. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Fashion Nova reward program. So Fashion Nova's reward program primarily operate through a referral program where you earn $30 in credit for each friend who makes their first purchase using your unique link. In order to go ahead and get this, all you need to do is simply share your unique referral link, which is found in your email with friends. When they buy, they get 30% off and you receive $30 in credit. Participate in the official Fashion Nova Instagram giveaways, such as tagging friends in comment-based contestants or contests to win gift cards. And you can also sign up for Fashion Nova emails and sign SMS to receive exclusive time-sensitive discount codes. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.